What's going on, guys? We back. As y'all can see, she's sitting on the flat. I gotta get that situated. And she's sitting on, that's how long she's been sitting. She's sitting on the flat back there. Gotta get that situated. But she ain't been drove for a while, so you know, I ain't really making it a big deal. But she is empty at the moment. So yeah. I think I'm almost situated on what I'm gonna do here. But man, we still on flat, man. We gotta get this thing fixed up. Get some air in there right quick. Well, not right now. I think I'm starting to do a little rust down here in this little rock, this little panel here. I can feel it. I ain't gonna push it too hard. I'll be done push through it. But, you know, there's always something. She a mess on the inside too. But she'll be back up and running here in a few.